Update 2004 F-250 V10 big bitch. Yeah, okay, this should have been a 15-minute project, but as you can see, someone has stripped the fucking brass nut right out of this switch that goes on a steering column. And you can't put this one on because it has the brass nut in there. This is a brand new switch. The problem is the truck is, you go to turn it on and sometimes it'll click and then it'll start, and then sometimes it'll try to start and then stop. I'm not exactly 100% sure this is the problem to this truck. I think probably what it is there's a plastic piece that goes in this steering column. I think it's worn, and I think probably depending on where it is tilted is going to make a big difference on how it hits this little box. But this is why people should not be working on cars that do not know what the fuck they're doing, because I had to just use my die grinder. I had to get in there and I had to cut a slot down that little brass bushing that's in there, that's up in here, because that bolt won't come out of there. And that brass piece has to be out of there in order for this piece to go on there. And I had to fucking die grind a groove into it till I could crack it loose. And now I've got it loose, and yeah, of course my wrench falls off. I got it loose now, and I can pretty much just turn this thing out, as you can see right here. Rest it away. This is what really pisses me off about backyard mechanics and people who think just because they buy snap-on tools that they're a mechanic. Well, guess what? This is a 7mm bolt. If you fuck this up, you are not a mechanic. You are nothing. Nothing but a fucking cob artist, butcher, freaking hack artist. You just make more work, and the whole fucking thing is even worse. Don't buy tools if you don't know what the hell you're doing, because this is ridiculous. This is a 15-minute fucking job, and this is turned into over an hour project just to get this little broken piece of brass shit off of this. Jesus fucking Christ. Fucking people, boy, I tell you. It should be illegal for people to buy tools.